Hello my people, how are they? Also not they fine. Please help me to love and like and share this video. Leave your opinion, okay? Leave your comments under this video. I want to talk about this our beautiful sister wey be say we just lost, Sharon Okpamen. Una see everywhere just like fire on the mountain. Now so papa, now so mama, with the person wey born for, different thing is coming out. Uga ongi wo etu gbo seme uga ongi fe etu gbo seme uri owe jomo we nudoge mi no gboga ede na uga labero. Una see all these things where just they come and so people, many people, na my friend, na my good friend, na my this one, na my that one, na my the other one. We are not talking about that one now. Sharon leave 2 pikin for grant. Where they important, especially the one where be said the John newly born. Even the other one, she be not be that one never still grow. That one I think 2 years, I be 1 year plus. I wish I don't know, but now still small Pikin. You see all those now what just they make pep so. Now want do something. Now those children now want talk about so. Not be the man where he give them belly. They say they Nigeria. Bring the picture come for me. Make I can't draw and for social media. Are you after that one? Now that one we day after so. Oh, una no know the country where Sharon dey, Italy. Oh, Italy no wa collect Thomas. They collect Pikin like say tomorrow no day. They no get time. Especially when don't just say now the woman not dey. He don't go another life. The papa wey born the pikin not there yet. According to that sister wey come tell us say Mama Sharon, if you're good may you not get a good may you get better mama. Grandmama na, according to her, he say not even know whether he pikin born. Sister, you wey come talk. Make sure say you do something. I believe say na Italy you dey. I better do something. Make una not just talk finish. All of una go enter his house. So una not do something for those 2 children. Make una not try now. Sharon go vex for where they because many things don't they bust out. Even the secret of that girl, yes, Lola Dian, what did they happen now? Because I say she no fit talk again. Why they take her easy? I don't understand. The way where some of una say they do something. If person call you your friend, he tell you secrets. Not be say that person don't buy you upon the talk. It not good though. There is God though. There is God though, because sometimes he do that thing. He don't want me anybody know. He just want me just tell you. He not good. Make they come the hear am for outside though. Okay. Everybody they run come and that's why I love one, that's why I this one, that's why I the other one, that's why I not the other one. Do something for those children now. A monosi ayoto. Now then for the no real love. Oh. Real love. Now then we go for no. Not be say after gbogbo chiki all of na go run go inside. If they come they even they find one carry pikin self. This one go say I no fit to not be me born now. I no fit to papa dey Nigeria. I no want make something come happen. This one if you feel take care of your own, you go feel still take care of another person. Oh, you go still love and the way we take love your own. As far as say that mama na your friend, not the one and not they talk, una they eat together. So sorry my people, wetin go come make you not take care of your pikin? As far as say not dey there again, you will come replace as a mother, because everybody just dey like different people. No na make una suffer. I mean nobody no go then the pray when person they pray say na towa agbon na be the prayer, especially when you can't get small pikin wey be say oguga igbo man omo ma fun more na no verse. So my people, sorry na focus your enter. As I was saying, because all this, I love Sharon, I do this one, I do the other one. Make una not forget say tomorrow small pikin e dey evolve. Make una try, make una do something, because otherwise Italy na that country where be say then they carry pikin, especially when they know say im mama no dey. They will call look and say papa no even kukuma dey here. Before you know it, they'll come tell you say they don't give social, they don't do put them affidamento. But before affidamento, before you know, hey, not be lie. Oh, now the truth I just they talk. Oh, if you understand a lie, people wait there for Italy, make una ask them. They are very, they very now that thing they make them, they will say they want like they are there for those children. So all this love, I love her, she was my friend, we don't eat together, we don't do this one together. First of all, that 2 pikin, according to that our sister wey do video say a grandmama you no even know whether those children dey there. Sister, make una gather hand together, make una do something for those children so that dem no go like feel am too much say their mama no dey again. Na the truth I dey talk o, because you see this social media na I wan talk my own, I wan come put my own, I wan come do the other one, na so the other one. No be that one we dey after now. No be that one we dey after now. Make una seize wa be gbere yin where, you know, I dey talk about those one wey be say dey abroad wey go feel like run go do something for those children. Una fit come out, una wan present, you want like as the mama no dey, na my bestie, dem go give you paper make you sign. So family anything not do that Pikin, you know all those things. According to that lady wey be say the grandmother omo no biela diam wey e no even like evaluate talk like us say eje. So you now wey be say you come be tight friend or yania do something, make Sharon for the happy for where e dey. Make Sharon no come dey feel and say oh I want to know winyara go ma mu kera e Okpamen mo boy or yania was one wa mo boy. I know they talk about easy, I know say easy go fit do something because it's like a blood sister to her. Okay, but all those one wey be say wasire yin we wasire yin we because oma no gba person wey don go e no fit talk again. E don go, e don go, e no come back again. But wetin e leave behind now na go dey think about, so no be other things wey the man wey be say e born for e gotta give am belle. If you can't see the man wey give am belle, you know wetin dem talk before. You know whether na between two of them. Wetin you wan use the man to do? Not be grown up woman. Now she decide to say na this person I wan born for. Even though say the man dey for Kafachan, she can't dey for Nenemi. Now wait, na choice, na a decision. So you know if he ask, you know if he come carry the man come out, come the pieces and come the insult am. Now that one now we dey after. We not dey after that one. We not there the time where two of them they take the decision. You are not there. So Mona not come carry wetin be say she don't decide the time where they alive. Una wan come the pieces for social media. You were not there. If una fit give that lady this respect, I go to love her. Because Mona not they bring many things come away not supposed to they come out, which is very bad. Because of yere seti iguania. Wagele love Mona do something about those children. Mona lead person wey give am belle. Now she know why she born for that person. If woman not love mine, not go born for her. Even though say now maybe one more to love, but he love her, he decide to born. Not be say not see men for abroad though, but she decide to go that side. So Mona leave that thing. Make una focus on those children. The way one I want to still like, let me do something. Where Sharon go they happy for where they. Okay, my people. Now this short video say make I bring call. I know say now the one I want to now go worse pass. No one tear bonnet the man go the tear bonnet the man. The one go they insult mama go they insult mama. Sometimes mama and Pikin they get misunderstanding. You go say my Pikin I don't want where you want go so. Now let you when I go use your head till they carry everything. I don't care. You see where you supposed to bump. You say no bump. You say another place. If it still be, we don't know. We don't know. Mama will be say carry Pikin come abroad for year. You want to tell me say no love her? Maybe they get misunderstanding. It's still the be for us sometimes. Where your mama will tell you say that tribe where you want to go marry, my Pikin, that tribe they're not good though. As far as say you don't go there, your mama go leave you. Go say okay, make I stand, make I they watch you as you want to they do all these things. If it still be, we're not there inside their house. Not be lie. Oh. You know say some children already guys if your mama they talk, you know they hear. Your mama will if you heard you, mama hear no so no. It still be like that also. So not be that one we day after. So if mama na good mama, not be good mama, not be that one. You see that two Pikin, that two angel, that two beautiful Pikin where be say she leave behind. Oh yeah, na mona do something. Me una do something, or not be so na don't talk finish oh. Una go wrong, go inside so they call the fellow una they not come see una. Because na so some of una be oh. Aragbon why love woman o mani Okpamen the loving our e no concern me na me give am belle. The other one go say na I get my life to live. Mona not trying oh. Mona not trying. Because again na when una really love whether na so it really be. Because those children they need their mother. Their mother not dey again. Who want tell them. So they need somebody where go there as their mother. Now that one when they talk about oh. Not be who born for her. As the mama tell do and so it said do this one. Okay? Now bye bye my people. Please send me to love and like and share this video. May our gentle soul rest in perfect peace. I pray may everything go well with those children. Now bye bye for now. Wasire you well, okay?